Okay, guys, this is our review for health, for your health test, and we're going to play Jeopardy. Now, so for those of you who, some of you have siblings at home that are in fourth grade, and so you can play with them. Others of you can play with someone in your house if you want to, switch back and forth, or just everyone answer all the questions and then just see who gets the highest points. Or if you're playing by yourself, just see how many points you get. You have to calculate your own points, obviously, because I won't know if you get it right or get it wrong. So I would get a piece of paper. So pause the video right now, get a piece of paper. Get a pencil or something or a calculator to calculate your points, and this is just a review for your health test. So I hope this is a little different, a little fun way to review your health test. Let's hopefully all the links. Okay, so today's categories are name the bones. I will show you a picture of the bones. You have to name them. Again, you can just say it out loud. If you're playing with someone, you might want to write them down, but obviously if you pronounce them wrong or spell them wrong, I do not care. It's just if you know it. And pretty perfect posture. It's gonna be questions about your posture. Definition condition. So this is going to be, I'm going to give you a word, you have to define it. Or actually, I'm going to give you the definition and you have to tell me what the word is. It's all in the joints. This is questions about your joints. Also known as, I'm going to give you the name of a bone and you have to tell me the actual scientific name for it. So like we call it a collarbone, you're going to tell me what the scientific name for that is. Okay? Clavicle. And then random. There's just be ones from other categories, random things. It could be anything, miscellaneous. Okay, I'm going to be clicking these, obviously. So I'm going to start with, let's start easy. Let's do definition condition 100. Of course. Okay, something you do without thinking about. What is that? Something you do without thinking about it. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Answer is a habit. Okay, so if you got habit, then you have 100 points. So calculate your points, 100 points. I'm going to mark off which ones I've done. Even though I can't really see that very well. Okay, let's do, it's all in the joints, 200. All in the joints, 200. I will get it eventually. Okay, the type of joint that allows the knee to move back and forth. So which one does this? The hinge joint. Think about the hinge of a door, okay? The hinge of the door goes this. So the hinge joint. Okay, so that was 200 points. So if you got it, then you get 200 points. Add that to your 100 points. If you did not get it, then you get negative. Okay, so you do minus 200 points. That's how Jeopardy works. Okay, let's do perfect posture for 300, Alex. How do you lift something correctly? What is the formula to lift something correctly? What do you have to do with your body? Okay, answer. Keep your back straight and bend your knees. So if you did something about bending your knees, doing it with your knees and with your legs and not your back, that will count too. Okay, I'll give you that. That was 300 points. So if you got it right, then you get 300 points. If you not, then you get minus 300 points. Okay, let's do also known as for 100. Okay, the fingers and toes. What are the bones, the scientific names for your fingers and toes called? It's a funny word that I love. Phalanges, okay, phalanges. Remember, I love that word. So that was 100 points. If you got it right, you got 100 points. Phalanges. Okay, let's do name that bone for 100. Okay, this is the longest and strongest bone. Name that bone. It's the leg bone. Answer? What is the femur? The femur. So if you got it right, you get 100 points. If you get it wrong, you get negative 100 points. Okay, let's do random for 200. Random for 200. The number of bones in the human body. What's the number of bones in the human body? And I'm going to talk about, this is adult, the adult body. Answer? 206. 206 bones. Okay, so that was the 200, right? Okay, so if you got that, you got 200 points. Okay, 200 points. Let's do pretty perfect posture for 200. Milk is fortified with this vitamin and is also found in sunshine. When you go outside, okay, you can find this. Okay, you can find this. What is the vitamin? Answer? Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Okay, so, okay, that was, okay, 200 points. You got that one? Okay, let's see. Let's do definition condition for 200. Alex? The way the body is held while sitting, standing, or moving about. What is that called? The way the body is held while sitting, standing, or moving about. Answer? Posture. That is the definition for posture. Okay, that was 200. So if you got it right, you get 200 points. If you got it